Good morning everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in today to do Wreck This Journal Wednesday, number 9 I think, number 9. So I am going to run through one of the pages today with you that I have worked on in February, and I'm also going to finish that page off with you by filling in one of the prompts, and then you will see some footage of when I first started the actual prompt, this page itself. So I'll take you back to show you that. So I'll start off by showing you that footage, and then I will come in and do the next part. So the page itself is a page of good thoughts. This is the overall finished page. So what I use this page for is 12 Days of Wellbeing, which actually was gifted to me by Emma. So that little jar that you saw in the footage was actually gifted to me by Emma Lou Loves. And she's Emma Loves Pink Stationery on Instagram. And so I have completed her 12 Days of Wellbeing, apart from this one here. So at the time I was doing her 12 Days of Wellbeing, it actually fell, like one of the last weeks actually fell on a week when I was having problems with Noodles, when I found that she was vomiting, and yes, so I didn't finish the actual prompts off, so I'm going to finish that one today. But I wanted to talk you through what I did, and what she did for me for the 12 days of wellbeing, and each of the prompts. So this is an envelope I actually received from Emma in one of her latest happy mails to me back in January. So it says read me, but I actually used the envelope itself to put the prompts in. So I've got all of her little tiny prompts that you saw me opening in the video. You saw me opening the first one. So on the 26th of January I wrote down the positive quote, so I'll read that out to you. When the big things feel out of control, focus on what you love right under your nose. So that's something that I really like, that quote. So the 27th of January was share a memory that made you smile. So I wrote here, I don't know whether he wants me to share this, but Charlie's 30th birthday was spent at Bournemouth Beach in the UK. We went with friends and it was a surprise, but it ended in a 2-hour bus ride because it should have been 5 minutes from the beach back to the train station to head home to Southampton. But we were with our friends, and we chatted so much that we didn't realise that we'd actually been on one of those circular buses for 2 hours. And by the time we realised that we hadn't been at the train station, we were already out in like the Bournemouth suburbs. So then we had to get off the bus and catch another bus that was going to go back into Bournemouth to go back to the train station. So that was interesting, but it was a memory that made me smile, because at the time we all laughed about it because we absolutely had such an amazing day, and honestly we didn't realise that we were 2 hours into the bus ride chatting. So yeah, it was weird, the fact that it should have only taken us 5 minutes to get to the train station, but then we ended up talking for 2 hours. So that was my fun memory. If you have any similar stories that you want to share, pop them in the comments below. So the 28th of January, listen to your favourite song. And Emma actually messaged me that night and she shared her favourite song with me. It's a happy song, and it's Can't Stop the Feeling with Justin Timberlake. So I listened to that before bed and did a bit of a dance around my bedroom. And then the 31st of January, so I skipped a couple of days here because I was at work and I didn't actually get the chance to open the jar because I was coming home from work and just literally collapsing on the sofa. So yeah, the 31st of January was my next one, which was the weekend. It says drink 2 litres of water today. I'm pretty good with drinking water. I probably would have 1.5 litres every day off just my own accord, because I love drinking water. I don't drink tea or coffee really. So yeah, water is my main gig, and it's normally hot water from the kettle. And yeah, I find that you can actually drink hot water quicker than cold water, so that's one of the ways that I achieve my water intake. So the 1st of February was to compliment someone, and I think that was a Monday, so I wanted to do that one then because I had the ability to go into work and compliment people at work, which is something I do all the time. So I love sharing my positivity and showing everyone some love, not only in my crafty comments but also at work. So that's that one. Then over on this side, the 2nd of February, take a break from social media. So I actually took a break from Instagram. I don't think anyone really noticed. I was off for 3 days off of social media. I had a busy week at work, and I've written here, felt lost after work. So I kind of felt I'd come home and just stare at the TV and not do anything else. Like, it was really weird. Like, just because I was busy at work, I'd come home and yeah. So I've written here, laid on sofa after work feeling lost. So sorry if that seems negative to anyone, but I didn't want to do anything other than lay on the sofa. And when I mean lay on the sofa, I literally mean I would get the cushion from the sofa and literally just put my head on the cushion and lay flat on my side watching television. So that was probably not a very good start to my working year, but all good. So on the 4th of February, which was a couple of days later, it was wear your favourite t-shirt. So my favourite t-shirt is a blue Tigger Earth Day t-shirt. It's actually a pyjama top, and so it was a good excuse to wear pyjamas, and that's something I'm always in, is my pyjamas. The 5th of February, it says take a deep breath. So it was Friday on the 5th of February, because I've written yay Friday. Coming home from work to see our garden sprayed out for landscaping, so relaxing to take a breath in our garden. So that was the day that we had our landscapers come and they actually sprayed out everything on the plants. So we actually spent quite a bit of time just walking around the garden and having a look at what they'd sprayed out, which was really, really fun and exciting. So then it was the weekend. So one of the prompts was to have some me time. So on the weekend, after cleaning all morning, I took a bath with a pink clay mask. Now, I'm surprised I didn't say plink clay mask, because I always say plink clay mask. Because I'm mixing the two words together and I'm saying it too quickly. So Charlie always says, do you need me to buy you some plink clay? Because it's one that I have regularly. It's like Sukin. It's a brand called Sukin, and it's Australian pink clay. So even then I was going to go plink. So on the 7th of February, it says, do something you've been putting off. So it says, today I've been putting together Jo's journal for her birthday. Now, I was putting this off because it's a difficult task putting together a journal, and you want to get it right for the person that you're making a journal for. So yeah, I took my time. I had all the papers ready, they were all printed and all cut to size, but it was just I was avoiding putting it together and avoiding doing the binding because it was kind of hard to do. Now, as you can see, my handwriting is all over the place because I was doing this on different days, so I kind of ran out of room for doing the next, I think it was a couple of prompts. So I went up onto the envelope that I'd already stuck in. So it says the 8th of February, spend at least 10 minutes outside. I think the 8th was a Monday again, and it so yes, it would have been a Monday, because Charlie and I sat after work in our newly stripped blank canvas of a garden. So because they sprayed it out on the Friday, they then came and stripped everything out of our garden on the Monday. We were so impressed that they managed to get it all done. They did have a bobcat that came in and managed, but yeah, we came home to a completely blank canvas, so it was nice to sit and debate what the garden was going to look like. So from the looks of it, that's only 11 days there, and then this one here happened, like I said, when we had Noodles, who was vomiting constantly and wouldn't keep any food or water down. So I just stuck this in here from the jar, and I don't know why, but it's taken me so long to actually get round to actually sharing this page with you. So today I quickly wrote down a joke on the back for me to share with you guys. I'm talking to Emma specifically here. I need you to ask this joke to your beautiful Dave and see whether he gets it straight away. I know he will. He's just one of those guys that gets it straight away. So my joke to you guys is, why don't ants get sick? So the answer to this, and I'm pausing here so that Emma can pause the video and ask Dave, is because they have antibodies. Ha ha ha. Yeah, sorry, terrible joke, but I thought I'd share the joke and finish off this page with you guys. That's it for today. I just wanted to have a chat, show you what I did for my page of good thoughts. This is Emma's 12 days of well-being that I received just after Christmas in her New Year parcel to me. And sorry it's taken me so long to share with you guys. Yeah, I'm hoping you guys are all well, having a good week so far. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're not subscribed to me already, pop in and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. I'm hoping to see all of your comments about any fun memories you have that make you laugh. All right, see you guys. Bye.